Do you know many people are having trouble with positioning their HP Compaq Elite 8300 desktop? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off. First, shut down your HP Compaq Elite 8300 desktop and unplug it from the power outlet. Step 2. Remove stand. If it is mounted on a stand, carefully remove the desktop from the stand. Step 3. Lay flat. Next, lay the desktop on its side to provide a stable working position. Step 4. Reorient. Reorient the desktop as needed, whether from a standing position to flat or vice versa. Step 5. Ensure clearance. Ensure at least 10 centimeters, around 4 inches, of clearance on all sides for proper ventilation. Now you should be able to safely and easily lay flat your HP Compaq Elite 8300 desktop. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.